Hey guys, welcome to my channel Go Mediums Review. Today we are going to see about Super Affiliate Domination PLR. Under ideal conditions, affiliate marketing is supposed to be fast and easy way for anyone to make money online. However, over past few years, it seems to become a lot more complicated. Who doesn't like the idea of plugging into a proven system that's working to get you big results? The problem is, who is going to find one? You can help them with Super Affiliate Domination PLR to receive back huge payments. If you buy it through my referral link, I am going to give you a free ebooks. So this reward will help you earn more money when combined with Super Affiliate Domination PLR. So let's take a look at an overview of Super Affiliate Domination PLR. The product name is Super Affiliate Domination PLR. The vendor is Linda Trimmer. The front end price is $12. Release date is October 11, 2021. Release time is 10 o'clock ET. Niche PLR recommended very high. Skills levels needed, no need any skills. Support, effective response, bonuses, mega bonuses, 1200 bonuses value at $6 million, refund 30-day money back guarantee. So let's take a what is Super Affiliate Domination PLR. Super Affiliate Domination PLR is a preloaded PLR sales funnel with top shelf content that teaches anyone to go from zero to hero in affiliate marketing. About the creator, Linda Trimmer. Super Affiliate Domination PLR is what Linda Trimmer is so proud of. Her name is heard in 15 PowerPoint infographics, easy PDF formulas, the constant income formula, micro report teaches. Next, let's see about the pricing of Super Affiliate Domination PLR. Super Affiliate Domination PLR has one front end and two OTOs. So, Module 1, the training guide, over 9,650 plus words, 42 plus pages of how to step-by-step content to becoming a super affiliate, unique and original content, editable documentary file included so you can edit the book as you wish, PDF version included. The Module 2 checklist. This checklist will outline the steps you need to take to start out as a beginner affiliate marketer and then into the super affiliate. You'll see how easily you can start. The checklist will keep you on the track. The resource guide. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the training. Included in this guide are the places you can get the products to give away as a bonuses for your affiliate marketers offers, where you get the free software to clone your affiliate link. Module 4 graphics package. You will get all the image files in PSD format, which will allow you to edit everything as you please. Also included are the JPG and PNG. Fifth module, a sales letter, mobile responsive high converting sales page. The Module 6 is social media package. Use this code image to engage your audience on all of the social media platforms. Module 7 license package, and of course, as promised, you are also getting the private label rights, master resale rights, and resale rights to the products. The license tell you exactly what you can do with the product. They are also providing bonuses. The bonuses, one is super duper special offer. The value was $47. Don't have Photoshop, don't no worry. Overall, Super Affiliate Domination PLR will walk you through how to start a affiliate marketing without a website or a list or any knowledge whatsoever. Revealed inside the valuable secrets of affiliates, how super affiliates achieve success, and so you can too. How to build a successful affiliate marketing business, uncover the ways to get the next level overnight, find out the 5 different ways to build your own buyers list. Is it really worth buying it? With Super Affiliate Domination PLR, you can be up and running to cash in within just minutes. It's greater to sell time and fast track your results while no need to lift your finger. As you sell as your own, use the PLR rights as an investment in your future. When you sell something of your own, you get to keep everything plus you are building as an asset of your own. Break it up into two products or sell it as you get a top quality product to brand yourself. It's a business in box. Everything you needed to sell your own product. Create a course from it and sell it on a site like Udemy. Sell it, boost your brand, leads and sales, start your own product empire, use it in your membership site. Become a super affiliate marketer. If you want to go from so affiliate marketer to a super affiliate, you need to get the complete affiliate domination PLR package. Implement what is taught in this PLR package and get astonishing results. The complete training guides takes you through all the steps from starting out in affiliate marketing to become a super affiliate and making a killing in your niche. Who should use it? Super affiliate domination PLRs must have item for affiliate marketers, com plus Amazon, freelancers, website owners, social media marketers, local business and any kind of online businesses. The pros and cons is pros of super affiliate domination is how to build a successful affiliate marketing business. Take your affiliate promotion to the next level and skyrocket your results. Find out how super affiliate win again and again. Get the 5 secret methods to build your buyers list. The simple steps to go from beginning affiliate to super affiliate. Why you must sell high ticket programs and where to find them. 30-day money back guarantee. No cons are found. The pricing of super affiliate domination has one front end and 2 OTOs. So first for module 1 training guide, what are the features of super affiliate domination? Here's what they will give you to help you sell this blockbuster course. So first one module training guide, high quality ebook training. See for yourself that it's not just another ebook but rather a premium step-by-step training course that will help people will be willing to pay top dollar for. You will find countless strategy that will take you to the pinnacle of affiliate marketing. This training guide contains everything you need to succeed as an affiliate marketer. It is packed with secrets and strategy you can use to skyrocket your results. Use it as a PLR, but put your name as the author. Create your own products. Use it to coach your clients. Use it as a bonus. Use it to create an online courses. Use it to build your list. Break it down into articles and use it for your blog. Make a video from it. Get this half to step-by-step content to becoming a super affiliate. Next, module 2. This checklist will outline the steps you need to start out as a beginner affiliate marketer and then become a super affiliate. You'll see how easily you can become unsuccessful. The checklist will keep you on track and get you started on your journey. The module 3, the resource guide, gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the training. This makes it easy to stay on track and see results even faster. Included in this guide are the places you can get the products to give away as bonuses for your affiliate marketers. Find out how to get free software to clock your affiliate link and much more. Module 4, Graphics package. Inside you'll get the complete set of professional design graphics including e-cards and other essential graphics to help you sell your product. You'll get all the images files in PSD format which will allow you to edit everything as you please. Also included are the JPG and PNG images. Reband, change colors and add your logos or your own image to fit your band. Model A5 is sales letter done for your mobile responsive sales letter, brand new 100% mobile friendly and responsive sales page. The sales page is designed and written strictly to convert your visitors into customers. She is providing the Word document version so you can copy and paste the contents into any page builder you are using. No copywriting fees, no wasted time trying to write sales copy yourself. High converting, full blown sales page. Model A6. Today, using Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and other social media sites are a must to promote your product. Images create engagement with your audience and can be used to drive traffic to your offers. Use the post images to engage your audience on all of the social media platforms. Model A7 license package. And of course, as promised, you are also getting the private label rights, master resale rights and resale rights to the products. The license tell you exactly what you can do with the product. For more information, click on the link given in the description box. So let's see how it does work.